So this is for COM 368 students. If you notice that hopefully you've downloaded, it'll be Premiere. And what I'll be producing, or what I'll be doing from week to week, is you'll see the videos for each week up here. And from time to time you're going to see some of these lessons down here as well, but I'll point those out from week to week. But the tutorial videos will be kind of archived here, but then each week you're going to see a different page that's going to be the home page. So I'm still working on this page right here, but just know that you can just kind of stay on this page and know that any of your videos will be just kind of available right there in case you have a laptop. But my guess is that you probably will be watching this on your cell phone and then using Adobe Premiere on your laptop or desktop. So as you can see, I have chapter 11. I squashed into three 5-minute parts. I have part of the sweetening tutorial already done, and then I'm going to do something with adding audio effects. And then I'm going to have an editing assignment. So that's going to be part of this classroom engagement. I'm sorry, that's going to be part of your, rather than having a demonstration video I'm going to split this up into several videos that you're going to just upload. And so those are going to be videos that I should be able to listen or watch and see these different elements. And these are going to be the elements that I'm going to be working through the lessons. So you should be looking at the lessons from Adobe Premiere and then kind of following along. And if you've kind of followed along, then all you have to do is just export that video and upload that to YouTube, and then pop that into this column right here. So I will put those up from week to week onto as an assignment. So you'll see those in demonstration videos. Your sound editing project is due April 9th. And it's been taken down from YouTube, which means I bet there's going to be some copyright issues, but I still have it. It's available for download here. So if you go to this folder, you'll see it. And so if you access it, you'll be able to download it there. And then when you upload it to turn it in, you're going to do something different. Rather than post your story on YouTube, upload your video to my Google Drive folder here. So this is access to this folder here, and so you're going to drop it in there. Okay. So there's going to be some left and right audio channels, and that's what we're going over earlier part of the first week. So I'll be talking through that in the demonstration videos. And the original sound recordings should be clean. So any sort of background noise, any hums are going to be minimized. And again, that's going to be in chapter 11 or 12. No audio pops or jars. So if you have those little audio transitions between scenes, so that you just add like a 1 or 2 frame audio transition between those scenes. Then you use creative sounds and employ real sound designs. And so I've recorded some sounds on my own, so you should be starting to be listening for sounds, and you record them with your iPhone or for whatever recording device you want to, and then import those into Adobe Premiere. So I'll be talking about that in chapter 12. So again, I've had some audio recordings of my dogs barking and whining and scratching the door, and just seeing how we can use sounds from every day to create these creative sounds. So remember, you manipulate day-to-day sounds to employ sounds that don't exist in real life, and then real sound design is when you take something that's supposed to be in real life, but you actually have manipulated from something else. So how do you mimic rainfall? So remember with that TED Talk, how you manipulate rainfall is by shooting the guy who had, he was shooting frying bacon to sound like the falling rain. And then of course the sound aiding and storytelling process. So it really should be telling a full story using sound, because again, this is a silent film. And then the audio environment is effectively mixed. So I talk about that in, I think, chapter 11 or 12. So I should be able to hear very, very clearly which audio is dominant, okay? So that's the sound editing project. And so you should start at least looking at it and start getting ideas for this coming project. And then we'll talk more about the other projects as we go through the rest of what's left of this term.